Okay, guys and gals, in this particular video, we're going to talk about our aux in remapping. We're going to find this up here under routing and right here. If you're going to use the physical quarter-inch inputs, this is where this needs to be. We're not remapping it anywhere. But as you can see, it's a pattern. You've got the local in 1 and 2, local 1 and 4, local 1 and 6. Then the AES 50A and B ports, 1 and 2, 1 and 4, 1 through 6. The card is the same way, and the user in is the same way. So what does this mean? Well, if we go local 1 and 2, that means that auxiliary input 1 and 2 is going to pick up the first 2 channels of the local inputs. And we can check that out in 2 ways. If we come over here and we look at our auxiliary inputs, as you can see right there, aux in is N01. Now, N01, that always means local input, that IN. And the same way here. Now, if we come up to channel 1 in 1 and 2, whatever these 2 channels are, that is what that auxiliary input right here is going to pick up. And just to show you how this works, if we go to auxiliary 3 now, as you can see, it's on aux 3. So this would be the physical quarter-inch auxiliary input in the back. What a lot of people will do, and guys, this just repeats itself. Where do you want your auxiliary input signal to come from? Many people will choose right here, card 1 and 2. See what happened when I put that on card 1 and 2? Look at my aux in 1 and 2. I am now playing a video on YouTube, and I'm bringing that signal into my computer through the auxiliary inputs. You see card 2 there and card 1. If we come up here to our routing again, and right there is the card 1 and 2. So it's very easy to see how this works. And remember, guys, in keeping with this series of videos, this is just to show you how to get stuff hooked into it. Now, again, look at our input signal coming through here. It's way too hot, so we're going to trim it down. We're going to bring this down until we hit around that negative 18 dB input. And guys, I'm going to keep drilling this through all of these videos. This is truly the starting point for this mixer. So we've had to come down to negative 9.5. If I had something coming off of the internet, going back to the drummer's mix bus right here, if he wanted to hear that so he could play along to it or she could play along to it, then this is how we would raise that into their mix bus. Okay? And that's all that aux in remapping consists of. Take care, God bless, and we are out of here.